Today's gonna be a crazy day because we have a very special guest in today's video. But first, let me tell you guys what's happened so far. So we woke up this morning, we had a couple trades to look at. We ended up taking one trade. We actually didn't end up losing that trade, but I closed it out early and then re-entered into it. So I closed it out, lost around $4,000 on that, or $3,900 on that. But then we made that money right back over here. If you guys look, we were able to secure $9,100 after fees. Is roughly around a $10,000 trade. If I held it a little bit longer, this is the trade right here, we'd be up $12,000, but honestly, my videographer told me to close it out, so we're not gonna blame him for anything, but we made an additional couple $1,000s, but that's fine. We're profitable for the day. We're up around $5,500 on the day right now, which is super, super, super dope. I just finished shooting up some reels for Instagram. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the new content. Videographer is absolutely killing it. Shout out Brian. That was a yes? Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. Like I said, we have a very special guest today. Another young, successful guy. The cool thing about being young and successful is you can sleep whenever you want to, and he takes full advantage of this. So right now it's around 12 o'clock, and I think he's still asleep. But when he wakes up, we'll head over to his house. He'll introduce himself. Huh? What time did he text you? He texted me at like 5 a.m. I woke up this morning, checked my phone at 5 a.m. He said, not gonna lie, I just went to bed. So I already knew this video was gonna start a little bit later. Like the video, because you already know it's gonna be a huge banger. Let's get into it. So while we wait for this man to wake up, I haven't showed y'all my backyard. We've had, I don't know if y'all have ever seen it. It was like nothing here at all. It was just straight grass. But I want to show y'all the backyard just because I'm super proud of it. It's one of my biggest pride and joys besides the gym. I showed y'all the gym in one of my previous vlogs, but out here is my second favorite part. It's taken a while. We put pavers in. Keep in mind it's a little dirty right now because they're still doing a little bit of work. They're still finishing the turf and everything. But we had a full kitchen put in. So we have the sink, obviously. The most important part, we got the bug spray because when it rains, the mosquitoes in Houston are like freaking piranhas. I don't know. They are ridiculous. We got the grill. Fridge is supposed to go in here, so hopefully they'll put that in there soon. Super cool waterfall little feature on the countertop, which is super, super nice. That's actually really hot, I'm not gonna lie. For our pride and joy, this humongous pool. Apparently, one of the biggest in the world, is what I'm hearing from other people, from sources. Put all the pavers in, huge pool. We have a little deep end. Obviously we have the regular side for people who cannot swim. I am an Olympic swimmer. I actually got the email from the Olympics for them to like have me on a team and stuff like that. But it's the same kind of thought process that I have with golf, and I don't want to take over the golf industry because Tiger Woods has his thing. Michael Phelps has his thing. I don't want to take that from him. He's like really like picky and pressed about it. Like that's his whole image. I don't want to take that from him. I'll continue to just be a day trader and a cool guy. But we also have these cool waterfalls over here. It's actually 3. So this waterfall, that waterfall too. And this is a fire pit. So both of these on the end, they light up. At nighttime, it looks super, super dope. You turn the lights on in the pool, turn the lights on the spa. Sorry, the pool's a little bit dirty. They obviously doing work, like I said. Super, super nice out here. Pool's heated and everything as well. And we just put in all this turf. If you guys did not know, my wife is actually very much allergic to grass. So she's never been able to like sit in the grass before. We got the whole backyard turfed, which is super nice. So we won't have to have any maintenance. It'll always look nice and green and clean and stuff like that. Probably just have to get the leaves raked out, but I think our landscapers and stuff will do that. Or I'll come out here with the little blower thingy and just blow the, what is this? But why did I do this? Why did I do it 3 times? Just to get the leaves out here.
Zesty morning.
Yeah, it's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But then over here, I'm thinking about putting a little bit of put like a little playground for my daughter. I want to put it in this corner over here because I don't want her to be close to the pool because we all know it's not really that safe. We're having children and she can't take swimming lessons yet. She's not old enough. After she takes swimming lessons, I'll be a little more comfortable. But I think I'll put like a little playground thingy over there for her so she could play there, have her friends over and things like that when she has friends or makes friends, I guess. I don't know. But they'll be further enough away from the pool where we don't really have to worry about them accidentally falling in. Maybe put a little bag toss right here or something like that. Put a little badminton net or something. I don't know. Should be pretty cool. A little putting green somewhere. I just want to kind of give y'all an update on this while we're waiting for this man to wake up. So I'm really tempted to open up the chart. I don't like doing this after I close out a trade because I say all the time, trading is like a lose-lose situation no matter what. So I made, obviously y'all saw I made whatever, $10,000 today trading, but it's a lose-lose situation because if I lose a trade, I'm mad. If I win a trade, I never close it out all the way at the top. So I'm mad because I missed out on profits. So I never like opening up trades after I exited them. I want to do it just so I can blame my videographer in case price like skyrocketed up. And I would calculate how much money I would have made if I didn't listen to my videographer. Let's see. It could be at the same spot or it could have went down. That would be a plus. If it went down, that'd be good. So the end of the white line is where I got out. And look how far up it went. I'd be up around $14,000 right now. No, I'm looking at you, not the camera. No, I'm looking at you. So he just cost me $4,000, but it's okay. We'll make it back tomorrow or more, hopefully.
What did we learn?
Never listen to people. I do this, but the crazy thing is, I do this with my wife too. I'd be like, I call my wife Booty. So I'm like, Booty, look at this. Should I close it out right here or should I hold it longer? She'd be like, just close it out. And I'm like, all right, cool. If I close it out and it keep going up, I'm gonna be mad. I close it out. What's it do? Keep going up. So then I'm like, this is your fault. You just lost out on a Cartier bracelet or something like that. I don't know why I listen to Brian. He's never even, when he's here recording, he's literally asking me questions about the charts, like basic questions, like, why is it green? Like, I don't know why I listen to him. Wow, this thing is still going up.
That's crazy.
I'd be up 15,000 right now.
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
Bruh. Yeah, it would be crazy. So he just texted me. He's awake now. It's currently 12:15. Trying to get him to shoot a day in the life reel similar to what I did on my Instagram page where he's talking about, bro, my life is boring. And that's the crazy thing. A lot of successful people I know, we're really boring. Like, y'all gotta understand, right? Y'all see me make these YouTube videos. Y'all see me go out, do all this stuff, go golfing and all this stuff. At my day-to-day basis, I do very boring things. It all comes down to like, I feel like what's helped me a lot is routine. And having the same routine has helped me be able to knock out different goals that I have to achieve that ultimate goal. And it only happens with having boring days of doing the same thing over and over again. If we don't want to be boring, we can do whatever the heck we want to do. But we're about to head over there in a second. Y'all get to meet him, talk to him. Well, he'll get to talk to y'all. I don't know. Y'all will get to meet him. It's gonna be a whole vibey video. Just finished getting the car detailed. Looking super, super nice here. Not gonna lie. I'm about to buy myself another car though. If y'all can guess what car I'm gonna buy, put it inside the comment section. If you can guess it on the dot with the color that I'm gonna get, that's it. Just guess the car with the color I'm gonna get. I give you a high five. But about to go head over there. I almost got stung by like 10 wasps out here waiting, still waiting.
Should we like open the door?
Low key should.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, a lot that was faster than I thought. What up, bro?
What's good, my guy?
Good to see you, man.
Man, we almost got killed by the wasp out here.
Oh, word? Yeah, let me go ahead.
You gotta do something about that, my boy.
We're gonna work on that. We're gonna work on that.
So I told him, it's like what? What time is it? 2:30.
Morning.
It's not morning time, sir. That's the perks of being able to, I guess, live this life. You wake up whenever the heck you want to. He texted me, so we've been playing this video for a little minute now, right? Trying to set it up. He texted me last night, like 5 o'clock in the morning, like, oh, I'm just going to sleep. I'm like, so basically the video will start at like 1, 2 o'clock. So I'm already knowing if he went to sleep at 5 o'clock. I remember last time I hit him up about something and he texted me at like 1 p.m. like he just woke up. I'm like, I don't know how he do it. Actually, I ain't gonna lie, I'd probably be like that if I wasn't a trader. Only reason I gotta wake up early is because the market opened early.
Oh yeah, I mean, the game started at like 5, so I don't gotta really just be up until like 4 o'clock.
Yeah, that is true.
Late.
But man, tell them who you are.
Oh,
what you
it's
do.
Your boy, Goat Vic, aka Victor Madu. Crazy that that's backwards now, but yeah, social media is everything. I've been an entrepreneur for the last 10 years, and it's what it gets you if you work hard. So keep working hard. And tap in on the sports picks. That's what I do.
For sure. I'll leave all his links. Obviously, y'all just seen it on the screen, but I'll leave all his links inside the description down below. Tell us a little about what you do. What do you do? How did your day go? Besides waking up at 2 p.m.
That's the first and most important thing, actually.
Most important is crazy.
Yeah, that's the most important thing, getting sleep. So I'll probably be up studying till like 5, 6 a.m., looking at lines for sports, odds, rosters, all type of stuff. And then I wake up whenever I'm ready to wake up, whenever my body feels ready. I low-key try to purposely sleep in because the games don't start until 5 o'clock. I don't want to wake up at 8 a.m. and just be like scratching my head like, yo,
yeah,
like,
damn,
I'm waiting, you know what I mean? Because I'd be anxious the whole day, waiting for the shit to pop off. So honestly, I think, you know, waking up late is probably better. But I wake up pretty late, I eat breakfast, my chef comes in, probably go hoop, work out. Just try to pass time, honestly.
Till the game starts.
Usually when the game's on, I'll go hoop because like, I can't be on my phone while I'm hooping. So it's like, I'm not even just thinking about the games anymore and I'm just passing time. I'm, you know, working out at the same time, hanging out with the guys. And I think that that's probably like the most important thing for me to do.
When I first met Vic, he was like the only person I knew that was talking about sports bet, sports bet, sports bet. I'm like, bro, ain't no way sports bet is about to pop off. But he kept saying it. I'm like, he's a firm down believer of this. He said, watch, in like 2-3 years, everybody gonna be talking about it. I ain't gonna lie, everybody talk about it now, Vic.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
You say you started it?
Feels like I won the bet. But nah, honestly, I just saw the need for it. I saw that a lot of people were putting a lot of time and a lot of energy into gambling and being a degenerate. And that's like the culture now.
Yeah, for
sure. I mean, like the younger kids, they want to make fast money. They don't want to go to work. They don't want to work for nobody. Everybody wants to be a boss. And I think being able to to generate income at a very fast rate, but also do something that's fun. I think betting on sports is fun, whether you're winning or losing. But we try to win more than we lose, obviously. I just saw the need for it. I was, teaching people how to trade stocks. And it's hard, there's a learning curve, and I was just like,
Trust me, I know.
Yeah, they know about Kyrie and LeBron, so we're just gonna go ahead and start doing that a little bit more. So yeah, sports betting is definitely.
That is true. I was just talking to Brian about this. I'm like, I feel like getting into sports betting is a lot easier versus trading, because you look at a chart. Most people look at a chart, they're like, what the heck is this on the screen? Versus everybody know who LeBron is.
Everybody know. About
everybody think that they team finna hit. Everybody think that.
Everybody know who gonna win and who gonna lose.
Yeah.
Everybody know who better.
Yeah.
And it's just that black and white. It's just that simple. I think that's what makes it a little bit easier. It's like I don't necessarily gotta step in and educate, because the education and the teaching the patience and teaching the vocabulary, that takes up a majority of the time, and most people don't even make it through the education process when it comes to trading.
That is true.
You know what I mean? They be like, oh, I want to learn how to trade, and then 2 weeks into learning, they're like, yeah.
2 weeks? You mean an hour?
That. Like, I don't want to do that anymore. You tell them to watch a 20-minute video, they watch Netflix. They're like, nah, we're not doing that. But if you tell them to watch a basketball game that they got $100 on, they're going to pull up to the game and buy the nosebleed seats and be in there screaming.
Yeah,
and
I think pool money together and everything.
It's more targeted towards younger people.
Yeah.
Because they want to have fun. They want to turn it into like a networking event. It's something you could do with your friends.
Yeah.
Like if you're trading, like your friends walk in and see you trading. It's like they walk in and see you watch your porn.
Loser.
It's like, damn, we caught your ass.
I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy. That's a crazy analogy.
It is though, because you walk in and people playing 2K, people playing NCAA, people are having fun.
On your chart.
You know what I mean? They're gonna see you looking at freaking charts all day. They're
I
gonna
ain't
be
gonna
like,
lie, you probably just made somebody watching this video mad insecure about trading. They put what's the privacy screen on their phone?
And then when they come and they go switch to NBA, they're gonna be like, yeah, I'm just checking all LeBron's highlights. It's like, yeah, that's what I thought. How you doing though? Like people are more susceptible, and people are more, what I mean? They see that sports betting, they're just like, man, like I want to try it because I already think I know everything about sports. Yeah. It's like a challenge. But if it's like trading, they're like, whoa, like stay back.
That is true.
Yeah.
And it looks scarier too. And I feel like for a long time trading, and even like when I got into trading, all I would see on YouTube was like, oh, white people. Like I didn't see really nobody that looked like me doing it.
It was underrepresented.
Yeah, very much so. And it had the wrong, like, I guess, image on it. But now, obviously, y'all see people that look like me, people that's young, people that's getting to it and making a bunch of money. But for a long time, it was like only old people trade stocks or look at charts and stuff like that. But now it's like accessible for everybody, which is cool. But sports betting started off by being an everybody type of thing.
I look like I'm in the league, so I was like, they look like me.
That's
my
crazy.
cousins up
that's
there.
That's a crazy statement. I ain't gonna lie. Do the angle from lower down so he looks 6'4".
Hey, chill. Oh God, back up a little bit and then angle it like upwards. So I look,
As y'all know, I'm pretty tall and I'm towering over this man.
Man, that's some good ass editing y'all doing over there.
That would actually be crazy if you did that.
I earned my keep around here, you know what I mean? All jokes aside, I think it's just imperative to have multiple sources of income with your trading, with your sports betting. Just keep learning. Like, don't stop educating yourself and stay inspired. Make sure you're following people that you want to be like. Don't be following people that is just showing you what they have and not showing you how to get it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure. 100% agree.
Show y'all this rose.
So right now, they're shooting some content, about to make him a fire reel to post, a little day in the, or morning routine type thing for Instagram. Like I was mentioning to y'all before, most successful people, we didn't really be doing much. I feel like it's all about routine, kind of do the same thing over and over again. That's how you kind of get where you're supposed to go. I think that was all the clips. Yeah. Dang, I ain't gonna lie, Brian. Your camera is mad heavy to be vlogging with.
I know.
This is crazy.
Is your arm getting tired? You're shaking, bro.
No, I'm not shaking. Have y'all seen my gym? I don't shake. Nothing's shaking. Nothing's shaking. I got it. Perfect. I think they just finished shooting up. They've been shooting just some clips for the past 100 hours or whatever. But yeah. So we about to go inside his car right now, one of his cars, and shoot a little car podcast type thing, just kind of going over sports betting, just life stuff overall, really. So y'all will see that a little bit later, but we're about to do that right now. Then we'll come back, kind of give y'all an update on things, tell y'all really what we do for the rest of the day. We'll go from there.
I lost a whole bunch of money, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I lost like 700 grand.
Oh, now that's crazy.
Like
I thought my story was crazy.
Teaching myself how to bet on sports.
All right, so we just finished shooting some heat in the car. Mr. Goat Vic.
Yo.
Appreciate you. But tell the people,
Oh my God.
after you wake up at whatever, 2 o'clock. When do you usually wake up, first of all? Let's talk about
It just depends, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If I'm up late, I'll wake up late. 1:30, 2 p.m.
on average.
Yeah.
So after you wake up at 1, what you usually do? I know you do your picks later on at night.
Yeah, I do my picks later. Wake up, eat, go shoot some hoop, wait for the pick, check my phone, cash.
So just
Do it again.
I ain't gonna lie, that is actually a crazy life. I feel like the only reason I wake up early is, as y'all know, with trading, we have to wait. Well, we don't have to, but the market has the most volume at like 8 o'clock in the morning, so I have to be up that early. But if it wasn't for that, I'd probably, no, I got a daughter and a wife. Yeah, I can't sleep until 1 o'clock, unfortunately. Yeah, I feel like my routine's like cool. I wish I could wake up like 2 hours later. If I could wake up like 2 hours later, it'd be perfect. Like that's why in Dubai, it'd just be nice, because my routine technically starts, trading and work starts at like 4 p.m. there. And I'm working from 4 to 6, I'm done. The rest of the day, that's why y'all see me in Dubai golfing every freaking day. Going out to Abu Dhabi or going to roller coasters, and then still coming home and making a nice little 10 bands, trading, and go to sleep. That's why we need to move out to Dubai. I'm trying to get Vic to go to Dubai.
I mean,
he said he coming this year, because we gonna be out there in like a month or so.
You gonna pay?
Yeah. Just let me
I'll
hold the keys to the Cully.
I'll be there. We'll pull up.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll check it out.
But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Day in the life is really not anything crazy. Y'all see, I woke up, traded, made money, chilled. We shot some reels for my Instagram. Came here, he shot some reels. He woke up, got his chef. I think they got clips of the chef, right? Chef came, cooked for him. I should have showed y'all where the plate at. The chef didn't even give him a plate. He put on the she put it on the, what is that? A wood board, cut board or something like that? He had orange juice with ice in it. I ain't never seen orange juice with ice in it. I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy.
Bro, you saying that though. I posted one time.
The Sonic Ice.
Yeah, I got the ice maker.
He don't even got the
fluffy ice.
Wait, so that wasn't from the fridge?
Nah, I got ice.
But this man got a whole ice maker. Y'all know the ice where it's like little balls.
Like
It makes it colder.
Yeah.
No, that's crazy.
It's just good.
I ain't never seen somebody drink orange juice with ice. He had orange juice with ice. He had a candle lit in front of him.
It makes it like a slushy almost, but it'd be good.
Orange juice though?
Yeah.
Fresh off the wake is kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, I mean.
But he had his breakfast, you know what I'm saying? He about to go play what are you about to do right now?
I actually have to go to the bank.
That's what people do.
Yeah.
Well, I ain't been to the bank in like 3 months.
I have to go to the bank. And then I had a meeting with one of my financial advisors for getting another house. And that was
It's regular stuff.
Yeah.
It's another house.
you know, go to the bank, move some assets around, go sit down, have a meeting.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm definitely not dressed in hoop clothes today. I probably won't get to do that till the evening, but yeah, this is just one of those days where I actually have to do some work.
Some work as in going to the bank for an hour.
Probably like 20 minutes.
Crazy talk. I ain't gonna lie.
Really, probably like 5 minutes.
What you about to do? Go in there, freaking sign the deposit slip?
Yeah, just give them my ID and then just tell them what I'm trying to do, and then they'll just transfer the stuff, and I'll just be out. But that's another thing I don't feel like doing, so we take the road.
The more successful you get, the more in routine you get. And once you're in that routine, you kind of do it. And then you get to the point where you don't have to do that routine all the time. Like I used to have to trade. I was on the charts for like 8-10 hours a day. Now y'all hear me talk about all the time. Probably takes me 30 minutes to trade, if that, every single day while I'm looking at the charts. But then for the rest of the day, I'm able to do really anything I want to do, which is super, super cool. Now as you see, it's not just a me type of thing. He over here waking up whenever he wants to, doing whatever he wants to, and still pocketing 14 mil the past couple years sports betting. 1.1 mil in 4 days, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
1.1 mil in 4 days. So maybe I'm in the wrong field. Y'all about to see me switch over to sports betting.
Man.
So I think the video about to end off right here. Appreciate y'all. If y'all want more videos like this, y'all let me know in the comments. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Vic. He about to start putting out content now.
We'll see.
Right, Vic?
We'll see.
He put out one video. He said, guys, I'm sorry.
Retirement.
He said, I'm sorry y'all waited so long, but I'm here now.
My first video was my last video.
Crazy talk, but hopefully he comes through. Y'all
it.
definitely hit him on Instagram. He be on Instagram all the time. Instagram live, teaching y'all the game. He do teachings all the time. So all this stuff will be inside the description down below. Appreciate you once again, my guy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I will see you when I see you.
All right, brother.